I tweeted my sticker out, to market my stuff, and one of my favorite authors and another illustrator who both worked on a comic that I really love, retweeted, and one of them bought the sticker. So I'm just oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys should definitely read Living Heroes. This is a fantastic, cute little story about all the black heroes in Marvel. So you should definitely check that out. Just saying. Yeah. It's written by Steph Williams and drawn by O'Neil Jones. You should definitely check them out. They are both really great, and their writing is fantastic, and their art's really good. Just saying. I'm so stoked. Oh my gosh. What a great way to start the week. It's Tuesday, February 1st, new month. Cool. It's also Hourly Comics Day. I've done this for years, at least over 5 years now. I really don't feel like doing it today, but I've done it every year, so I think I'm gonna do that as well. And it doesn't have to be good comics, it's just I scribble it just to say I did it. But it's one of those things where I'm I don't feel like doing it, but if I don't do it, I'll feel bad that I didn't do it, and I don't know which way is more doing it or not doing it. I don't know, but I'm gonna start sketching those. I've been writing at least what I've done every hour to sketch. Ugh, I'm tired. I want to do nothing.
Vicky, yeah. And this is not a gimmel. Try one more time. What is this letter?
It's a Sunday, last day of the week. I feel like I'm playing catch up. I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff done, but none of it is visually interesting that I'd want to vlog about. and stuff, and this is kind of what's happening right now. I have soccer later today, which I'm excited about, but I really want to get some artwork done. You know, when you have a to-do list and you're like, I'm going to just tackle all the smaller things, and then now all you're left with is like these bigger tasks that are going to take, that you know it's going to take you a long time. And because of that, you don't know what to pick to do, because anything you pick to do won't feel satisfying because you're going to think about the other things that are on the list. That's what's going on in my head right now. I know I can't accomplish all the things in the time frame I have. I know it. And it's hard to start on something because of that. I don't know why our brains work that way, but that's where I'm at. I'm stuck a little bit, but I mean, I guess I'll try to start something while I'm also doing little errands in the house. Something. Didn't get too much done, but a little bit done. Mostly laundry, but yeah. Soccer Sunday. I am not ready to run, but you know, gonna do it. Gotta get a little bit of exercise. I'm sure once I'm out there, it'll be fine, but right now, I just want a nap. Oof. Let's see if the bees win it. I hope we do. So we lost 5-3. It could have been 4-3 if I hadn't done an on goal, my first goal, and it was an on goal. I'll show what happened here. Oh my god, I am so embarrassed. But like, the team was fine, like, you know, at least it wasn't a shutout, and 5-3 is a reasonable, you know, like, score. We didn't lose that bad, but still. Boo. Maybe the next game will be better. I'm gonna blame my shoes. I got new shoes because my other shoes were pinching my toes too bad. And these shoes were quite comfortable, but maybe I don't know how to kick in them yet. Oh well. I'm going out to a Galentines Day. I'm gonna see some friends. I'm excited, but also really nervous. I got my N95. Yeah, I don't know how to be social anymore, so this is gonna be interesting. I don't even know if I'm gonna record, because is that weird now? Was it always weird? Am I weird? Like, okay, let's go. That was super fun. I'm heading home now. Yeah, it was good to like actually go out and like be at a bar. It was outdoors. Like I would like to do more of that again. I enjoyed myself. And it was really good to see a bunch of my girlfriends. It was really nice. It was a great Valentine's Day. We're at El Matador State Beach. Max has never been, and I wanted a beach day since it's been getting warm. So this is our like Valentine's date. Yay. That was a great little beach morning. What I love about LA and the beaches here, that if it's a particularly scenic spot, it's not weird to see a vlogger or two. It's not weird to see a couple of influencer photographers just trying to get the best shot they can. I love it. And sometimes you see people taking pictures for their off page, and that's also fun. Like, it's across the board. I love how creative everybody is here. I know LA has a reputation of kind of being hyper, like, superficial. But here's the thing, to be that superficial, you still have to be really creative. There's depth in the superficiality. So it was still a good day. I'm really happy. Let me finish this project that I started that I need to actually finish. I've been working on these for hours now. This takes so much longer than everything on the internet makes it seem like it will take. It is soothing, it is relaxing. I enjoy working on them, which I'm trying to make the point. But I know I thrive on the feeling of finishing something. Makes me feel real good. So the fact this is taking a long time to finish is kind of stressing me out. So I'm like fighting feelings right now. Yeah. These will look good when they're done though. They will. They definitely will. Yeah. Okay, have them all painted now, and it's late. It's late, so I have a feeling that this project is still gonna take another week to finish because I have to work on other things, and I have work to do, and I have a regular day job, and I still have to like work on that stuff. And I want to do this stuff during the day, not when it's night, because especially the resin part, I would love to be able to like, instead of just using my little resin light, I'd like to actually use the sun because that's actually better for it. So we shall see. But for now, they're painted. We have another step done. I'm impatient.